Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to create your own logos. So go to the Illustrator and I'm going to take a new file, A4 size and landscape. I don't need pleats in here, it should be at the 0 and apply, and color is CMYK, and create your artboard. And I need to new logo for my YouTube channel. So my idea is Apple and logo designs. So I need a Apple and a letter for my logo. So I'm going to choose Apple. Okay, go to the image and search which kind design you need. So I choose this one. Let me see. Okay, I like this one. Maybe not. Okay. Okay, this one great. I choose this one and copy image. Go to the AI file and paste. Control V and paste. So I don't need to use this one exactly the color, and I'm going to image trace. You can see here, and it became a black color image, and it's become a vector file. So expand. Now right click and ungroup. If you did this one, you can take white color. Okay, white color background in another way, and your Apple design is like this. And okay, I like this because it's became Apple. So I like this one, and but I need a letter for here, letter A, because I'm going to create Apple logo design. Let will choose a letter for this one. Letter design. Which one? Which one I need? I need little bit artwork logo. Let me see. Like this? Maybe. Okay, I choose this letter and go to the here, no, parent tool, no, in here, yeah, twirl tool. I choose this one. I need to do this one little bit twirl. Okay, and this one need to be right click and create outline. Now it's become vector file. So now go to the twirl tool, and I need this one, control plus control plus. And little bit twirl this. No. Control is it? No. Little bit. Okay, I like this one. Now, how I going to merge this together? Again, let will do some Twitter. No. Don't like this.
There's a reason why I never drink a double shot.
Let will check if it is another letter. Wow, I like this.
I could never ask for help. Thought I should just hate myself. I got a feeling if I leave in the morning, all of my demons are coming.
Let's will turn little bit and
I forget about what makes me who I am.
yeah. If you create your logo, you have to think how could be it. So here, I'm thinking how could be it. Little bit this one. Control A, press, click, copy. And here and this one, your apple also. Control A, press copy and take it to copy. Because you need another copy for your safeness. Okay. And create this one. Click this one together and go and pathfinder divided. Okay, after divided, do it and go. So here you can have in one part. Okay, is this nice or not? Bigger. Because if you create your own logo, you have to think how it should be. Is it good or not? For me, green color. I like that. Maybe this one is black color. Okay, this one also here having a black color. And this part will create red color. Because you're going to create your own brand logo. Blue color? Maybe. Let me see. Do you like it? Blue color? No. Ash color? No. Two colors. Oh. Green? Green? Blue? Yes! I think this is better for me. Okay, this one I don't need. This one I don't need. And little bit create a eclipse. Let me see. Here, no color. And the round color red. Maybe this red color. Maybe this. And stroke 9. Let's see. Little bit smaller, little bit Let me see square. Good or not? How it is in the color? How could be if it is feel half color? Color, it will see. Color. It's good. Okay, this is good for me. Thank you watching. This is for my YouTube channel. Subscribe my channel. I'm going to create more logo for you, and every content I will teach you how to create your own brand logo and create your business logo. Thank you for watching and subscribe my channel. Thank you.